Okay, stand by. So let's try one reversal. Fried rice, तले हुए चावल. चलेगा. Going for a check, silence please. Silence. Roll sound. Rolling. Camera. Rolling. Clapping please, let's go.
1 by 2, take 1.
And action.
We are an international service. We started off in South and Southeast Asia. Panda typically, is well known in these regions. So you see a panda on the screen and, you would know it's a Food Panda commercial. Panda, of course, has its characteristics of, being cute, cuddly, approachable. The imagery of a brand is now very friendly and trustworthy. Also, it's very recognizable.
For us, there is no immediate competition. But the biggest competition, for that matter, is the phone.
Hello? अरे फ्राइड राइस तले में चावल में भात.
शाही शेजवान.
फ्राइड राइस देना.
क्या?
एक फ्राइड राइस देना.
हेलो.
फ्राइड राइस F for France, R for Russia, I for Italy.
इटली. रवा इडली.
Italy.
स्टीम इडली. इटली. हाँ. ट्रैवलिंग एजेंसी नहीं है, रेस्टोरेंट है. टाइम पास.
Still calling? Try installing. Food Panda. Thousands of restaurants. Amazing deals. Online payment option. Get 50% off. Download app and order now.
So our thought behind this television commercial is basically to get the message across to people that hey, there's a service which takes the pain away from ordering food. So we are typically looking at young successful executives, young couples, people away from home. These are typically people who are very loyal to us and whose life our service makes it very convenient.
This is our 4th campaign, and for this particular campaign, the idea was to reposition the brand.
In this particular film that we are shooting right now, we want to show that there's someone ordering and the food gets delivered to the wrong address, and it's a comedy of errors that follows. Through our consumer research, we kind of identified that this kind of setting will really speak volumes. There is a growing trend of young people who host such house parties, and we want to showcase that we are your house party partner as well.
हेलो, 5 वेज पिज्जा और एक बैंकॉक बैचलर केक, 19 रिंग रोड, जल्दी. बैचलर बॉय कौन है? Congratulations sir, finally.
Still calling? Try installing. Food Panda. Thousands of restaurants. Amazing deals. Online payment option. Get 50% off. Download the app now.
If one wants to really not live on sandwiches and junk food, then Food Panda is the answer.
We had a series of agencies pitched to us, and we narrowed down on Percept and Houseful Movies. They have been associated with us for a very long time. So we thought this is a good team.
We have great faith in the team. The shots that we've seen so far, we are fairly confident that our product is going to come out really nice.
When we were approached for these ad films, both me and Suraj had this discussion as to who would be the most appropriate director to do justice to these scripts, which were very interestingly written. And I think unanimously we agreed on Sharath. And he was able to extract that quirkiness that was needed for these ad films.
Having a great in-house VFX team is a big advantage, whether it is replicating how the app looks or putting across the fact that how easy it is to actually order food using the app. And I think we've come out with a fairly good product.
Whether it's Manu, whether it's Shweta the editor, whether it's our team or Hitesh for that matter of fact, we're very grateful to the entire team.